Hello, I'm Shane Hendren with Rio Grande, and today I'm going to talk to you about the GemLightbox. So I've been fortunate to be able to use the GemLightbox for over a year now. The GemLightbox was designed for anybody who wants to get pictures of their jewelry onto the internet as quickly as possible with as little effort as is possible. So what they did is they created a product. They created this GemLightbox that you see right here, and it's not going to make you a better photographer, but it's going to make you or give you the ability to take better pictures. And when I say that, what I mean is the GemLightbox provides you with a light source that's specifically designed for jewelry so that you get the best possible lighting. If you have faceted stones that are sparkle, you can switch from daylight to regular light. There's all these different adjustments that can be made to the lighting that improve the quality of the photograph. It also is a whole entire system. So when you take a picture with the GemLightbox, it saves it into a file, and you have the ability to go in there and do a certain amount of editing within that file. You can send those photographs directly from that file out into social media. There's direct links to your Instagram, to your Twitter, to your Facebook. You can take the photograph, you can edit the photograph, and then you can post it within minutes to social media. And if you add things like the turntable, for example, the turntable connects to your telephone via Bluetooth, and it gives you the ability to get 360 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and everything is designed to make it easier for you, the photographer, to get really good pictures. The other thing the GemLightbox was aware of is, some jewelry looks better with a black background. So they came up with the Eclipse. This mounts on top of the turntable that goes inside the GemLightbox. And what it does is it gives you the ability to take photographs on a black background. A lot of jewelry looks better that way. You have a lot of flexibility as far as that's concerned. So GemLightbox tries to help us take better pictures of all different types of jewelry. And not all jewelry looks good laying flat, for example. You want to be able to see how they hang and dangle, certain pendants or earrings, for example. So what they came up with was the Aerial, which is what this is. So this connects to your telephone via Bluetooth as well. And what it does is this part spins. This power cord connects on the inside of the GemLightbox, and this part spins, and these are attached with magnets. And just like everything else in the GemLightbox, everything is attached by magnets, and everything is perfectly centered, which makes your life so much easier because you don't have to worry about centering things or making sure things are in the right place. It pretty much does it for you. It makes your life a lot easier. GemLightbox is, I venture to say, trying to cover all bases in the jewelry business. And this GemLightbox macro right here, which I'm very impressed with, it gives you the ability with this 10 times magnifying lens to take pictures of stones, to get very detailed and very good pictures of your stones. So if you're selling stones or you want to show a client what a stone looks like before you've mounted it in a ring or a piece of jewelry, you can take a picture of that stone with the GemLightbox macro, get a very good picture, or a video. You have all of the same abilities with the macro that you do with the GemLightbox. But all in all, the GemLightbox family and all of its different components, when you combine them all together, what you've got is an entire Photoshop that, unless you were a professional photographer, you wouldn't put all this together. It would just be too cost prohibitive, and there would be too much time involved in learning how to use everything and learning how to take the pictures and then going into all the different programs that you would need to edit them and fix them. The GemLightbox has made it as simple as possible. They've made it so that it's fast, and like I said before, within minutes you can take a piece of jewelry, photograph it, edit it, and get it out on social media in front of potential customers. That's the thing that I like most about it. It takes something that used to be cumbersome, time-consuming, and expensive and made it so much easier. And now, especially with so much of our marketing happening online, it really is the way to go. So if you have any more questions about the GemLightbox, give us a call.